What's the meaning of announcement? Announcement. 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 Announcement.
An announcement is a public statement made to provide information about a particular event or situation. Its purpose is to inform a wide audience about a newly released product, an upcoming event, a change in policy, or any other significant news. The announcement can be made through various mediums such as press releases, public speeches, social media, and advertisements. It aims to get the attention of the target audience, build anticipation, and generate interest among them. Ultimately, the result of an announcement is to disseminate information in a clear and concise manner to a wide audience.